Wind turbines are one of the most important symbols of clean and renewable energy. Before a wind turbine starts producing power, it must take a long and challenging journey, a journey that perfectly represents the idea of green logistics. But do you know how the logistics process of a wind turbine actually works? Let's find out. Each turbine consists of several massive parts: the tower sections, the blades, and the nacelle, the heavy unit that holds the generator. The journey usually begins at a manufacturing site, often located near the coast. At the port, a team of logistics experts uses giant cranes to lift the blades, towers, and nacelles onto special cargo ships. These ships are designed for project cargo, very large, heavy, or unusual loads. Their decks are wide and open, allowing for oversized equipment to fit securely. After several days or even weeks at sea, the ship finally reaches its destination port. Once the parts are unloaded, the next phase starts: road transportation. This is one of the most difficult stages of the entire process. Each truck usually carries only one blade or tower section because of their massive size. The trucks used for this job are extra long, low-bed trailers that can bend and rotate to handle turns. Before the journey starts, logistics planners work for weeks to study the route in detail. They check bridge heights, road widths, and traffic conditions. Pilot cars drive in front of and behind the main truck, helping the driver navigate through difficult sections. Sometimes traffic lights, signs, or even trees must be temporarily removed to make space for the trucks to pass. It might look slow, but this careful movement shows the precision and responsibility behind modern logistics operations. When all the parts finally reach the construction site, the final stage begins: the installation of the wind turbine. The construction site is usually located on open land or hilltops, where wind is strong and consistent. First, the foundation is prepared, often made of concrete to support the heavy weight of the tower. Next, giant cranes are brought to the site. The cranes lift each tower section and place it carefully on top of the previous one, building upward until the full height is reached. Then, the nacelle is lifted. This is one of the heaviest parts, containing the generator and gearbox. Finally, the three massive blades are installed one by one. Each blade must be attached at the right angle, and even a small mistake can affect how the turbine works. This process requires not only physical strength, but also great precision. The work can take several days and depends heavily on the weather, especially wind speed, since strong gusts can delay crane operations. When the last blade is finally attached, the turbine stands tall and ready. Soon after, it begins to rotate, turning wind energy into clean, renewable electricity. The journey of a wind turbine is not just about transportation, it's about connection. It connects factories, ports, roads, and construction sites, all working together toward one common goal: a greener planet. Every ship that sails, every truck that drives, and every crane that lifts a blade plays an important role in building a sustainable future. Wind turbine logistics shows how human innovation and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Through green logistics, we are not only moving cargo, we are moving the world toward clean energy. From sea to land, from steel to wind, this is the green journey of a wind turbine.